Today I'll be teaching you guys how to divide this line. So for that there is a command called as div. So once you press that, here the add file, whatever the segments you want to delete. So now we can't see how much it is divided, correct? For that you need to use point style here, and there's something called this one, whichever whatever you guys like to select, you can do it. After that, once that is done, get this. Okay. So one more thing, there is something called as the even shortcut. For that, you need to use ddptpy type. So that is how it works. So this is one thing. Then we need to learn how to use fillet for slotted work or something of that sort. So if you want to turn anything into slotted connections, you can use this out. So this is how we do it. The rest, now example, if I want to get it in the middle, so what happens is they give this distance. So if you want to move that accordingly, so how you do it, you after filling it, you can just move it out, you can get this angle. So it is possible. Then comes extend button. So ex extended. So if you want to delete it off or trim it off, just select shift and just do this. So this is also possible. So these are the things you should be able to use in future. Thank you.